Everyone, today we are going to discuss about a numerical on the pressure. Already we have discussed about the pressure. We have discussed the applications in our daily life of the new pressure. Now we are going to discuss a numerical. In this numerical they have given a force of 100 Newton. Whenever the term 100 Newton is coming force, it will represent F. F is equal to 100 Newton given. Is applied to an object of length 1 meter and breadth 2 meter. We are having length and breadth, but as per the formula of pressure we required P is equal to F upon A. Means we want force and area. Force we are having 100 Newton, but we need area, length and breadth given. So on the basis of that we can find area is equal to length into breadth, and with the help of length and breadth we can find area. And as per the formula P is equal to F upon A, we required force having area we will get with the help of length and breadth, and after placing the value we can easily find the value of pressure. Now what we are going to do, the thing which we got by the question given in the question is force is equal to 100 Newton, length 1 meter and breadth 2 meter. We have to find pressure. This is the way whenever we are reading the questions, firstly we should mention how many things we got by the questions. Means the question has given to us, we will mention in such a way. The thing which we have to find, that also we will mention in this way. Now later on, already we discussed length is equal to meter and length and breadth we have. So with the help of this, firstly we will find area. Area is equal to length into breadth. We will place the value, and later on we got area is equal to 2 meter square. Meter and meter multiplied meter square. As you know, the unit of area is meter square. If we will go for the volume, it will be meter cube. So now because in the pressure we mention what is the area of the surface in the contact, the area of the surface we are just considering, so that is why we found area. And after this, at present we are having force, we are having area. Now we will apply the formula. Pressure is equal to force upon area. For the value of force is 100 Newton, the value of area is 2 meter square. We can easily, after placing the value, 2 will be cancelled with 100, we will get 50 Newton per meter square. This Newton per meter square is the unit of pressure and can be represented by PA, power. So thank you very much.